Hi everyone, I'm Shruti. Let us know about the theory of knowledge and let we discuss about the types in theory of knowledge. The theory of knowledge is four types. The first one is problems of knowledge. The familiar is not understood simply because it is familiar. The problems of knowledge is three types. The first one is types of knowledge, second, source of knowledge, and third, validation of knowledge. The types of knowledge is also three types: personal, procedural, and propositional knowledge. And second one is sources of knowledge. It is six types: senses, reason, intuition, existence, tradition, and revelation. The senses are five types: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Reason. Reason can be considered a source of knowledge either by truth from existing knowledge is called reason. And next one, intuition. The only real valuable thing is intuition. In our education system is intuition is occur your inner wisdom, trust your instincts and find your path. Just know it. The intuition as an original independent source of knowledge or only real valuable thing is called intuition. And next one is tradition. The traditional knowledge refer to knowledge or practices passed down from generation to generation. The traditions are heritage of communities. The revelation, the source of knowledge in religion, usually reveal the key teachings to particular faith. And next one, validation of knowledge. Validation of knowledge is six types. And next one is truth and notions of truth. It is six types. The first one is correspondence theory. The correspondence theory is to believe and reality becomes truth. And the correspondence theory is seems to confuse the truth with constitutes it. And next one is constructivism. The consistency. This is truth takes from departure on the sense is called consistency theory. The pragmatic theory. Things we think are false. And last point in truth and fact is authority and knowledge. The truth acquired from authorities. Texts like Gita, Bible, Quran, etc. The third type in theory of knowledge is ways of knowing. Knowing occur truth, five types. It is first one. First one is image. The making a image with mobile phone camera. Second, memory. The mind stores and remembering the information and it helps. Third one is active intelligence. The concept in classical philosophy is called active intelligence. And fourth one is cognitive intelligence. And fifth, conceptualization like definition, observation. Ways of knowing occur through the following is experience. The primary instrument of knowledge is experience. Reason. Reason is also known as rational knowledge. The reason is soul of sources of the knowledge. Skepticism. Skepticism is also known as doubt. The holds the no knowledge or no absolute, no unquestionable truthworthy. The perfect knowledge. Experimentalism. The experimentalist teachers like to think or experiment. They don't like to believe think. The academic versus initiative approaches to the music. Revelation. The highest state of consciousness. The fourth type is validation of knowledge. It has pramanas. The pramana literally means proof and means of knowledge. First one is perception. It is very important role. Example of perception. And second one is inference, background knowledge and text evidence. 5 steps to make an inference. Third pramana is comparison. The fourth and last point is testimony, is also called as Shabda. The fourth source of validation of knowledge according to Naikas is Shabda. The Shabda is that the from Vedas we acquire the true knowledge. And this is the brief explanation about theory of knowledge in philosophy. Thanks for watching.